Ever since upgrading to Sequoia 15.2, my computer has a mirror problem. When it reboots and it's plugged into a TV set as the monitor, it automatically always comes up with the mirror button on. And when you press that and you try and stop the extending, that does nothing. The other button there that does change things seems to work. However, I went into the Apple shop today and we did some testing there. With their monitor, a Dell monitor, it worked fine. But when we plugged it into their TV set, it exhibited the same problem. So they are logging a bug, I think, and hopefully it'll be resolved soon in the next version, or hopefully sooner.